Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design your slides on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the website on your device and start creating your presentation, and then you should go to your home page. At the top you can see this button, then you should tap on this designer button, so tap on it, and on the right side column you can find a bunch of available options and ideas in terms of slide design. So just tap on the relevant one that you would like to choose, and as you scroll down to the bottom you can search for pictures, and then the ideas will appear at this section. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.